Feedback during interactive routing. It is essential to know the name of the net or the current width setting as you route a net. This information, along with the wealth of other useful details, is available in the heads-up display and on the status bar during routing. An excellent feature to help visualize the amount of space available for routing is the ability to display clearance boundaries around all other net objects. Now, the image shown here demonstrates this. As the 12 volts net is being routed, all other net objects display a clearance boundary defined by the applicable electrical clearance constraint, which was defined earlier in the tutorial. It is not possible to cross this boundary during routing, so press Shift plus R to toggle the heads-up display off and on to configure the display content, color, and fonts in the PCB editor board insight modes page of the Preferences dialog. Press Ctrl W to toggle the clearance boundaries off and on.